Good morning, dear students. In this video, you will learn future perfect tense of active voice into passive voice. In the last video class, you learned simple future tense of active voice into passive voice. Dear students, you have to remember that future continuous tense is not allowed to change into passive voice. Okay? Here, future perfect tense. One example for affirmative sentence. He will have sent the letter. He will have sent the letter. He is the subject. Will is the modal verb that is used as supporting verb. Have also supporting verb. Then sent is the V3 form plus object. The letter is object. How to change into passive voice? Of course, this is future perfect tense. So that rule, you know how to change into passive voice. So that a sentence will become here. The letter will have been sent by him. The letter will have been sent by him. So remember, wherever you see perfect tense, you have to use the word being. Okay? So here the rule is subject plus will plus have plus been plus V3 form plus by plus object. Okay? Next, one more example. She will have bought a pen. She will have bought a pen. This is, which tense? Future perfect tense. When you change into passive voice, it will become a pen will have been bought by her. A pen will have been bought by her. Next, one more example. I shall have eaten an apple. I shall have eaten an apple. In passive voice, an apple will have been eaten by me. An apple will have been eaten by me. So, dear students, here you have to remember in the active voice, shall is there, right? So, in the passive voice, instead of shall, you have to use will. Okay? An apple will have been eaten by me. Next, examples for negative sentence in active voice. He will not have sent the letters. He will not have sent the letters. In passive voice, the letters will not have been sent by him. The letters will not have been sent by him. I shall not have eaten an apple. I shall not have eaten an apple. In passive voice, an apple will not have been eaten by me. An apple will not have been eaten by me. He will not have written a letter. He will not have written a letter. In passive voice, a letter will not have been written by him. A letter will not have been written by him. Next, examples for interrogative sentence of active voice in future perfect tense. Will he have sent the letters? Will he have sent the letters? In passive voice. Will the letters have been sent by him? Will the letters have been sent by him? Will you have learnt the lesson? Will you have learnt the lesson? In passive voice. Will the lesson have been learnt by you? Will the lesson have been learnt by you? Will she have completed her work? Will she have completed her work? In passive voice. Will her work have been completed by her? Will her work have been completed by her? So dear students, you have to remember, out of 12 tenses, only 8 tenses are allowed to change into passive voice. Always remember, only 8 types of tenses are allowed to change into passive voice. Okay? So dear students, after watching and learning these notes, this active voice and passive voice, you have to write in your English classwork in the grammar section. Okay? Thank you.